Hello and welcome to the course on Java programming. My name is Abhishek Parmar and I will be teaching you various concepts of Java throughout this course. I will teach you each and every concept from basics. So this course is going to be very beginner friendly and you do not need to have any prior programming knowledge to continue with this course. So please do not worry, and in case you do not understand anything, you can simply watch the video twice and I hope you will be understanding the concept clearly. So let's begin with the introduction of Java programming language. But before we understand Java, let us first understand the meaning of the word program. So program is nothing but a set of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a task. Let us take an example. Assume you go to a supermarket and you buy something. So when you pay, you get a bill. So that bill is basically generated using a program, or more commonly known as a software. So the computer was programmed to generate bills, and this is how you can write your own program to instruct a computer and perform a particular task. Now let us understand what is Java. So Java is a programming language which was first released in 1995. It was developed by James Gosling and still it is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. There are some of the popular companies like Google, Amazon, Uber, Netflix which are using Java for their development. So now you can get an idea about the popularity of Java. We will learn more about Java in the upcoming video.